Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. How to maintain a trailer truck for maximum fuel efficiency in 2025. High fuel prices are squeezing profit margins for trucking companies and independent operators alike. Keeping trailer trucks in top shape isn't just about preventing breakdowns. It's one of the smartest ways to cut fuel costs. Regular maintenance can improve efficiency, reduce wear on critical components, and keep trucks running smoothly for longer. A well-maintained truck burns less fuel, saving money on every mile and helping your business stay competitive in a tough market. Routine engine maintenance. Taking care of your trailer truck's engine isn't just about keeping it running, it's about optimizing performance and saving fuel. A well-maintained engine burns cleaner and works harder for every gallon, helping you stretch miles without stretching your budget. Let's focus on 3 essential maintenance tasks that directly impact fuel efficiency. Change engine oil regularly. Dirty or old engine oil can make your engine work harder than it needs to. Over time, oil collects dirt, debris, and sludge, which increases friction between moving parts. This friction forces the engine to use more energy, resulting in wasted fuel. By staying on top of oil changes, you keep the engine lubricated and running smoothly, which translates to better fuel economy. Stick to the oil change schedule recommended by your truck's manual. Use high-quality oil that's rated for your engine type, as this reduces wear and improves overall efficiency. Think of it like keeping your truck's internals clean and slippery. It's how you let the engine glide rather than grind. Inspect and replace air filters. Your engine relies on clean air to function efficiently. When the air filter becomes clogged with dust and debris, it restricts airflow to the engine. This forces the engine to work harder to pull in enough air for combustion, zapping power and burning excess fuel in the process. Checking your air filter is a quick and simple task. Pull it out and hold it up to the light. If you can't see light passing through, it's time for a replacement. Keeping your air filter clean doesn't just improve fuel efficiency. It also extends your engine's life by preventing contaminants from entering. It's a small but impactful step that keeps your truck breathing easy. Monitor fuel injectors. Fuel injectors play a key role in delivering the precise amount of fuel into the engine's combustion chamber. Over time, carbon deposits and other gunk can clog the injectors, disrupting the fuel-air mixture. This reduces engine performance and wastes fuel. Regularly inspect and clean your fuel injectors to avoid this problem. Many professional mechanics recommend cleaning them every 15,000 to 30,000 miles, depending on your driving conditions. If you notice rough idling, reduced power, or increased fuel consumption, it may be time to service them. Keeping your injectors in top shape ensures your engine is running efficiently, giving you more bang for your buck at the pump. Routine engine maintenance doesn't have to be complicated. Focus on these steps to keep your truck running efficiently and save on fuel costs over the long haul. A little effort today means fewer headaches and less money spent down the road. Maintaining proper tire condition. Your truck's tires might seem like an afterthought, but they play a huge role in fuel efficiency. Proper tire care ensures less rolling resistance, minimizing the energy required to move your truck. Ignoring tire maintenance not only wastes fuel but can also lead to costly repairs or downtime. Let's focus on 3 tire care habits that directly impact fuel savings. Check tire pressure frequently. Underinflated or overinflated tires are not just safety hazards, they're fuel wasters. Tires that aren't inflated to the manufacturer's recommended pressure increase rolling resistance, making the engine work harder to keep the truck moving. This wastes fuel and speeds up tire wear, adding more long-term costs. Invest in a quality tire pressure gauge and make it part of your routine to check tire pressure at least once a week. For long hauls, daily checks are even better, especially when carrying heavy loads. Be sure to check tires when they're cold, before your trip, to get the most accurate reading. Properly inflated tires don't just improve fuel efficiency. They also extend the lifespan of your tires, saving you money down the road. Rotate tires regularly. Uneven tire wear can also impact rolling resistance, causing your truck to burn unnecessary fuel. Over time, the tires on heavily loaded axles wear out faster than others, creating an imbalance that affects performance and efficiency. Regular tire rotation ensures even wear across all tires, maintaining a smooth ride and improving fuel economy. Follow a consistent schedule for tire rotations. Most truckers aim for every 6,000 to 8,000 miles, but always refer to your manufacturer's recommendations. If you notice uneven wear patterns, it may be time to rotate them sooner. Think of tire rotation as giving each tire a fair share of the workload, reducing strain and improving overall performance. Use low rolling resistance tires. Switching to low rolling resistance, LRR, tires is one of the easiest upgrades you can make to boost fuel efficiency. These specialized tires are designed with advanced rubber compounds and tread patterns that reduce friction with the road surface, requiring less energy to roll forward. The result? Significant fuel savings over time. While LRR tires may have a slightly higher upfront cost, the long-term benefits outweigh the initial investment. Studies show they can improve fuel economy by as much as 3–5%, making them a smart choice for long-haul truckers. Combine them with proper inflation and regular maintenance, and you'll notice even greater fuel savings mile after mile. Paying attention to your tires isn't just about prolonging their life. It directly affects how much you're spending at the pump. By keeping them in top condition, you're not only maintaining safety but also optimizing your truck's overall efficiency. Use telematics systems. Modern telematics systems are one of the most effective tools for maintaining your truck's efficiency. These systems monitor the truck's performance in real time and provide detailed reports on various metrics, including fuel usage, engine performance, and even driver behaviors that impact efficiency. Think of them as an onboard coach that keeps your truck running its best. A telematics system can alert you to issues like inconsistent fuel consumption or irregular engine performance that may signal underlying problems. For example, if your truck's fuel economy suddenly takes a dive, the system might point you toward a specific component, like a failing sensor or clogged fuel injector. Some advanced systems even flag potential issues before they happen, allowing for preventive maintenance. Incorporating telematics isn't just a convenience. It creates a data-driven approach to truck maintenance. By addressing flagged issues promptly, you can avoid unnecessary fuel waste and extend the lifespan of your truck. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.